Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The timeline for Chromium-based browsers can be found here. Flash will not be disabled by default from Microsoft Edge, built on Edge HTML, or Internet Explorer 11 prior to its removal by December of 2020. Flash will be completely removed from all browsers by December 31, 2020, via Windows Update.
Take our lead.
What browsers still support Flash? According to Adobe, the Flash Player is still supported by Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. However, Opera supports Flash natively, and that is why we recommend using it with any Flash content you may still encounter.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Adobe Flash Player is going the way of the dodo. At the end of 2020, not only will most major web browsers no longer allow Flash, but Adobe itself will stop supporting the multimedia software. Flash Player was once the foundation of the Internet. Once 2021 hits, you won't be able to run Flash in Google Chrome at all.
Take our lead.
After the EOL date, Adobe will not issue Flash Player updates or security patches. Adobe strongly recommends immediately uninstalling Flash Player. To help secure your system, Adobe blocked Flash content from running in Flash Player beginning January 12, 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.